Keep an eye on the tire compression. It's settling nicely. Get ready to release the tension.
The paint reflection is perfect here.
Yeah. Yes, and the carbon weege is flawless under the light.
Check the wastegate actuator, make sure it's secure.
Readings are stable. Diagnostics show optimal performance.
Data here shows a significant drop in power right at the top end.
I noticed that too. We might have an issue with the fuel delivery system.